Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this beautiful Quickmill espresso machine. Let's go ahead and pull a shot. You can see I'm a little off center, but we have just over 9 bars of pressure and a nice shot. Good crema. Let's go ahead and test the steam. Nice strong steam. Test the hot water. Hot water works well. So thank you for pairing with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.